Whirlpool's Quiet Spin 360 technology delivers the ultimate in vibration control, handling single items as well as large loads. What's this mean to you? Simply that laundry rooms can be located virtually anywhere without impacting your lifestyle. To achieve great spinning performance and vibration control, the story begins with Whirlpool's 6-point suspension. As items in the load naturally shift and compress in the first few moments of spinning, this exceptional suspension stabilizes the load by absorbing any initial uneven motion and minimizing movement of the basket until the dual balancing rings respond to the load. The dual balancing rings are on both ends of the basket and contain free-moving ball bearings that will group together to counter the weight of an unbalanced load or evenly space themselves for a balanced load. The third component of Whirlpool's Quiet Spin 360 technology is advanced software and sensing that controls the spin process so all the components work seamlessly together. A combination of sensors from the motor, cabinet, and control board collect information about the load and location to make adjustments that reduce vibration and control noise. What's this mean to you? That your washer knows what type of floor it's on and how to perform accordingly. Whirlpool's Quiet Spin 360 technology makes it possible to wash single items or larger loads with the same confidence that washer vibration is minimized, and you can place this washer in just about any location, even on an upper floor. Whirlpool Duet premium washers offer Quiet Spin 360 technology that deliver the ultimate in vibration control.